Wheel life, is this wheel life?
I just woke up. My hair looks amazing. This shower. My mom was so kind to install one of these chairs for me. It's a nice rain-head shower. The first day I came here, I did not know how this thing works. I did not know how hot the boiler would get. So until I discovered that, I burned the shit off my ass, man. Look at this. Y'all think WheelLife's all fun and glory, but this hurt like a motherfucker. And I got lucky because I almost fell out of the chair. And that would have been me getting boiled under the hot shower, but I was able to turn it off just in time because my spasms were killing me because of the pain. And now you know, rough stuff.
Welcome to the Chillax station. People are puzzling hard in the back. I'm gonna explain the puzzle situation in a bit. Nicole is what's left after 2 days of puzzling. Not so much left of her.
Ran out of wood. Fireplace on. My mom is chopping up some small wood. Power of the siege is strong in her.
Kijk hoe hard ga je.
Leg hem met die driehoek naar binnen.
Die?
Ja.
Ja?
Ja.
Nee, helemaal panisch met de duizenden.
Zo'n miracle.
Vandaag gaan we naar groothandel voor...
Boom. Touchdown in the gravel. Gravel, not so accessible. That's why we do it like this.
Ja.
Oh Lord.
Nee, laat me niet lachen.
Oh Lord.
Rishi?
Probably Nicole's gonna drop me.
Niet doen. Hij is zo erg, we gaan niet meer laten lachen. Ja, we gaan elkaar. Dat werkt niet.
Nagus is brave. She's the jackass of the day. Nagus is the jackass of the day. She's gonna jump into the pool. Oh. Camera recovery. Nagus is out there in the pool. This is the pool area. This looks like a little challenge. About that reverse downhill rolling, blessings, helping hands, all that. We almost fell. Slippery as fuck. Scratches on my wheels. But we got this. Did you fall? Oh, she lost her shoes.
No,
Nicole lost her shoes.
This is funny.
She dropped her slippers.
Yeah, it went off.
That's what you get going off the road with WheelLife. Pretty nice pool. Let's go up the edge, Lucy. Yeah. The edge is just wide enough to roll on. And then we can roll on the edge.
You want that on this side?
Yes, here is where we make the jump to the deeper pool, baby pool.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Nagus wants to get famous. She saw my statistics on Facebook. She said sex sells, so she got naked.
Ja, ik ga nog een hoofdstand doen ook. That's the family Lotfi motto.
I've seen other professions use it as a motto as well, though.
Okay, there we go.
So,
1, 2, no! Well done, Nagus! I'm so proud of you.
it's cold as shit, bro. I would not do that.
Stay there, Nagus. Don't come out.
Oh, it's so nice.
It's so cold.
Oh, it's so nice. No, your body immediately warms you up again.
Go on, second
And then you
time,
freeze to
one more
death.
time.
No, this is so good. I want to do it again.
Nikki is here wearing a coat.
Just get into the water.
Yeah, it's summer and the
نرگس
sun
لطفا
is
میشه بیام حالت بدم.
shining. I
Well,
don't
hold
want
it,
to be
well, hold
inside
it.
anymore.
You take the cold bath?
I take a freezing cold shower after the sauna every day. And then now, my body goes like, it's so nice.
این دقیقا نشون داد که تو دختر خاله منی.
آره
داری قدم‌های من رو دنبال می‌کنی عزیزم.
Too cold, Nikki. Too.
It's very cold when you go inside. You
What
feel
people
like
do for fame.
But you know how good is it for your body.
I hope she gets famous.
Hello.
She also hopes she gets famous. I guess turned into a Muslima. Hijab and tea, like the whole swimming incident never happened. Now we're gonna roll back. Over there is our balcony, looking at the pool. Pool's pretty sick. It's got these ladders. I have to practice my ladder climbings to be able to get out of this pool. Usually people also are able to lift me out. Now we're gonna roll back up the hill. We need 2 people for that. This is a nice garden. Good gardenscaping. We've got our little showers, which is also decent. Everything is in check, Mom. You did very nice. Very nice area. You like area, Sonia?
Yes, of course. Yes,
Okay. Get
ready.
This is how you go up.
Ja, gaat goed.
Goed.
Ik mag gaan dit, ja.
Goed is goed. So that wasn't too bad.
That went quite smooth.
But you need 2 people.
Al die avonturen. Sorry, ik
Now get
heb een
stuck.
beetje overgenomen van Nicole.
Zo vasthouden, net zoals de...
Goed vasthouden, dus.
Ben jouw kant af? Ja, we gaan goed.
My cousin is reporting it. Family in Iran. Fuck helping these people.
Nou, dat ging wel. Bang. Dankjewel, man, Nicole.
Ja.
Jij bent een Iraanse dochter.
Oh! Ben je klaar voor je, Willy?
Ja.
Zo.
Refreshing swim. Refreshing.
It was refreshing for all of us.
WheelLife. Is this WheelLife?